Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on pathology of physiological neonatal jaundice, or what exactly happens in the body and liver of the newborn is very important for you to know. Once the RBC or red blood corpuscles are destroyed by endoreticulothelial system or spleen, this heme is converted into biliverdin. Biliverdin is again converted into bilirubin. This bilirubin is transported to liver. This is unconjugated form, but the liver has to conjugate this, make it less toxic, water soluble, and it has to eliminate through motion and through urine. What happens is liver is immature in kids. It is not fully functional. It doesn't have all the enzymes required for conversion. That's the reason it becomes inefficient, and the toxic material, that is unconjugated bilirubin, gets accumulated in the blood of the kid. That's the reason you see yellowness in the face, yellowness in entire body, and also yellowness in the eyes. That's the reason this unconjugated bilirubin gets accumulated in the body, and this unconjugated bilirubin, which is present in blood, is taken up by the collagen. Collagen is the most common protein present in entire body. It is present in eyes, sclera. When it takes it, it becomes yellow. This collagen is also present in the skin. That's the reason when this collagen takes up this unconjugated bilirubin, it becomes yellow. In serious cases where bilirubin reaches over 20 mg per dl of blood, what happens is this bilirubin crosses blood-brain barrier and enters into the brain, and it causes serious damage to the brain. Because of this, permanent hearing loss, permanent vision loss, there can be seizures, there can be less in intelligence, and also there can be complete paralysis of the body. Lot of permanent damage that can occur due to higher levels of unconjugated bilirubin in the blood that crosses blood-brain barrier and enters into the brain.
Fidicus Homeopathy.